So the Reggae Girls have demonstrated yet again that if women get what they want and are comfortable and happy, they will work wonders. Oh, they got rid of the coach that they did not want. They got the coach they wanted, and they went on to qualify for the World Cup. This is called woman power. Yes. The magnitude of this back-to-back qualification, though, from a CONCACAF confederation that includes the best team in the world, the USA, and the mighty Canada, for a country that don't even have a domestic women's football league, and basically a country that don't have a football federation. This is a brilliant achievement by all concerned. Who want praise the JFF can go and praise the JFF. But the fact of the matter is that this Reggae Girls program operates like a separate entity from the JFF. They came together, they stuck together, and in the end, they brilliantly dispatched the high-riding Haitians to march into the World Cup for the second cycle in a row. Congratulations are in order to all parties involved. Big up the Reggae Girls. Big up Coach Lon Donaldson and the rest of the staff. Big up Sidella Marley. And big up Mike Ricketts and the Jet. No, sorry, mistake. That's what I mistake.